So we have studied basic BPT, converse of BPT, then angle bisector theorem, and then property of C parallel and then intersect. So what are numericals based in practice set 1.2 that you have to solve as a practice, and then what are question, similar question in problem set 1 that you have to solve. Okay, I hope that you have solved already. Now we proceed further. As the name of this chapter is similarity. In standard 9 we have studied similar triangles. Most of the time we have studied congruent triangles, but in some portion we have studied similar triangles. And in standard 9 we have studied test for similarities. Test for similarities. Similar triangles. Similar triangles. That we have studied in standard 9. So first thing, that is yes test. And what does this test say? When three sides of a triangle are in proportion with the corresponding three sides of another triangle, then the two triangles are similar. Okay, by this test. Then you have studied second test, that is yes test. Yes. When two sides of a triangle are in proportion with corresponding two sides of another triangle and angle included by these two sides are congruent, then these two triangles are similar by yes test. Okay, and the last one, that is AA test. Now maybe question arises in your mind, why does three letters AAA? Actually, when two angles of two triangles are congruent, third angle is automatically congruent. There is no need to prove. That's why this A is neglected from that. That's why A is. When two angles of a triangle are congruent with corresponding two angles of another triangle, then the two triangles are similar by A test. Now, on this basis, we will solve some question how we can prove similarity and so on. So here directly I will consider some questions. Based on this knowledge. So here question based on that. So here one question is given to you, that is practice set 1.3. Practice set 1.3. Question number 4. Question number 4. That is the diagram. And here you have given the values. AP is 7, BQ is 8, BC is 12, Find AC. That AC you want to find out. And the question is, first of all, prove. To prove, you want to prove here triangle CPA similar triangle CQB. That you have to prove first, and then you have to find out value of AC. Okay, now let's study how we can prove this. First of all, whatever you want to prove, triangle CPA, check this triangle CPA, first triangle CPA. Now, how to prove? First of all, you have to write the name of these two triangles in triangle CPA. And what is the second triangle? That is CQB. And triangle CQB. Whenever you want to perform some calculation, we cannot use yes test or yes test. So you have only one option, that is AA test. So you have to prove any two angles congruent. So now check in triangle CPA and triangle CQB. QB, these two triangles. What about this CPA 90 symbol? That is 90. Angle CPA 90 and this angle Q is 90. So angle CPA congruent angle CQB, each 90. So one angle congruent to. Now check this triangle. CPA, that is first triangle, and CQB, that is second triangle. So that is not used for us. So avoid confusion. In these two triangles, this angle C is common for both the triangles completely. So here angle C congruent angle C, that is common angle. So as two angles of this triangle are congruent with corresponding two angles of another triangle, then the two triangles are similar by a test. Therefore, triangle CPA similar triangle. CPA similar. Now, while writing name of second triangle, you have to write down proper correspondence. What match with what? So here C, angle C match with C. So first letter will be C. Then P, check angle P match with what? Angle Q. So here Q, and what is third letter? Letter L. So here by AA test. We prove this. Now your question is find out value. To find out value, as we have studied in standard 9, if two triangles are similar, then their corresponding sides are in proportion. That we have studied in standard 9. When two triangles are similar, their corresponding sides are in proportion. So in A by QB is equal to CA by CB. yes, corresponding sides of similar triangle. So in this way, we got ratio. Now put down value PA. Value of AP, that is 7. Value of QB, that is 8. Value of CA, that is AC, that we want to find out. And value of BC, that is 12. So by putting value, perform cross multiplication 7 into 12 by 8 is equal to AC. And therefore, AC equal to. So here 4 2s are, 2 4s are, 2 6s are, or 4 2s are, 4 3s are. So here 21 by 2, that is 10.5. That is 10.5 by performing calculation. Okay. So in this way, by using similarity and their properties, whatever we have studied in standard 9, we can solve questions. First of all, we have to prove similar triangle, and then using, if triangles are similar, their corresponding sides are in proportion, we can put down value and we can perform calculations. Okay.